Good morning. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing well. Your week is going great. Well, my name is Victor Quajer, your business success coach and consultant. And once again, I come your way with a business building blocks episode 14 for 2023. So here's what we've got for you today. As you're aware, we are on a series on how to identify business opportunity. And today we are going to look at looking into your backyard to identify spots and opportunity that you could take advantage of to turn into a business. So another creative way to spot business opportunities is by identifying problems and difficulties you may have experienced or others in getting things for your home, work, or in your leisure activities. Questions such as, is there any service yourself you need that is not available locally? Is there any part of a product that is almost impossible to obtain locally? Is there any issues that attract complaints from your neighbors, friends, and even visitors to your locality? Are there any problems that cause you inconvenience and are costly to solve where you are? Answers to any of these practical questions are a potential source of ideas worth exploring and developing into viable businesses. This could be at the local, national, or regional level. It is thought-provoking questions that often precipitated innovative ideas. So I want to believe that you will think about these questions and let them inspire and direct you in looking at things you may have overlooked in the past that you could potentially explore and turn them into business ideas. Well, thank you for today. If you need help in starting and growing your existing business, including spotting opportunities, writing business plans, and get your business started, do not hesitate to reach out. I'll be more than glad to help you. Also, get ready for the upcoming business building podcast, which I'm so excited to launch. And it's going to be very insightful, informative, and very educational, and help you in entrepreneurial journey as well as other aspects of your life. And finally, if 2023 is a year you desire to become an author, a published author, I've put together a book writing workshop to help you to write your book. I've written 13 books personally, published 8 of them to date, helped so many other authors with the same tips that I've developed over the years, and also ghostwritten so many others. So this is an opportunity you cannot miss, and it's going to be online. So please do not hesitate, take advantage of it from wherever you are in the world. So on January 28th, 8 p.m. GMT, check the description section for the link to click on to register, and make sure to take part of this workshop. Look forward to seeing you there. And if this has inspired you, please don't hesitate to let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and let us hear from you. Check out the book Opportunities in New Economy and Beyond on Amazon and all the global platforms, where most of these tips I'm sharing have been shared and in detail on there. Thank you.